yet?
Yeah, we're starting yet. What do we got here?
Silver YouTube play button.
He said it was a play button.
Silver. For 100,000 subscribers.
100,000 subscribers. Shush!
Only about 30K late.
Shush! And he's a physics dude.
30K late.
So yeah. Should I open it now?
Yeah, sure. Open it up.
You forgot to mention that it's 30K late.
Whatever he said.
There's about 30K late. He's at about 130,000 subscribers right now. And he just got his 100,000 subscriber thing. Kind of lame, but
It doesn't look very big.
oh, it's pretty big though. It's made of like not silver.
I don't even know what a play button is.
It's like like a YouTube logo, but it's made of silver.
Nope.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You know the YouTube logo?
Nope.
It's right there.
I don't watch YouTube.
Oh, yes, I do. I don't. We're just watching an unboxing video to figure out how to do an unboxing video.
Shush, jump.
Oh, tore the box. Oh boy.
Hey,
Wow, we are unboxing today.
She
open
didn't
the
tear
box.
Oh, really? That's the way we're supposed to do it?
Yep, box.
Why is the tape on the other side then?
So you can open it both ways.
A lot of options. Okay. Thanks, YouTube.
Thanks.
We're under a roof. Oh wait, we're not.
Slime.
Okay, here's some foam.
The foam is.
Whoa, nice.
Oh yeah. You've done something. Okay, I'll read it. What? You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created, except for me. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained.
Did you subscribe to my channel?
Yeah.
Oh, thanks.
Or educated. They weren't inspired, challenged, or entertained.
You achieved this milestone.
Hey, no, you
with
achieved this
hard
milestone
work.
with harder work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. That's definitely true. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with the Silver Creator
Hang on a
Award.
second. Apple?
A small token.
Apple.
I'm reading this.
A small token.
That apple looks gross. Is that any good?
It's a peach. Oh, that's not a
Okay.
peach.
A small token of our esteem and respect.
We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares, like
And you
your
need to teach
physics
people.
students. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem like a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think.
You're
You're
closer
way
than you
closer
think.
than you think.
A million
They're
subscribers.
rooting for you.
Yeah,
And we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely,
Susan Wakjikiki.
Susan.
wow.
Susan.
That's a pretty offensive way to pronounce that name. Good job. She's going to be mad at me now.
Oh, and congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in your recognizing your achievement and want in your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick.
Thanks, Rick.
Thank you, Rick.
Uncle Rick?
No, not just Rick. Just
Thank you,
And
Rick.
here it is.
presented to Doc Physics for passing 100,000 subscribers.
I got some glare. I'm having a glare issue.
Well, then
Oh
you
yeah,
need to go
that's
closer.
much better. Yeah.
Wait, what's
Nope,
your
still very
name
glary.
on Google? What's
Doc
your name
Physics?
on
What? Doc Physics. Here, there's a lot of glare.
Doc Physics?
We can unbox this or what?
Yeah,
Oh, there
take the
we can see it.
plastic
Yeah.
Horrible name.
You
No,
don't
it's
think?
not. It's great.
And that's got a paper dry thing.
Oh yes, a paper dry thing. Put that in the garage with the other paper dry things.
What? Do we keep those?
Absolutely.
We're so cool.
Hey, you can't touch it with your bare hands.
fancy.
You need gloves.
Are you still unboxing it?
I'm unbagging it.
Okay.
Whoa, it's got a mirror.
Is it shiny?
It's got a mirror.
That is nice. Oh boy.
You can hang it,
David,
Papa.
no
Where are you
touching.
gonna hang it? Where are you gonna hang it?
Wish I could touch
Uh-huh.
it, but I have slime. Here, David,
Yeah.
hold my slime.
Oh yeah.
Wait, Papa, can they see us right now?
Well, yeah. Here, I'm gonna say thanks to everybody
It's not
for
live.
just a second. Oh yeah. Thank you to all my subscribers for this shiny button and your support throughout the years.
Flip it around.
Appreciate it. No, but I could see myself in the mirror,
It's
oh,
not a
you
button.
can also flip it around.
which was really
It's not a
fun.
button.
Oh, you're talking about you're talking about
It is a
physics
button.
mirror
If
stuff?
you press it, it will play.
Don't touch it with your bare hands.
And now we're on. Great. So is there anything else we need to do here?
Should have live broadcasted it. Ow.
It's all too fancy for our house.
Yeah,
we
I'll
should
put it
probably
up.
put it on the roof.
I'll put it up at school,
Aw.
probably. Aw.
It's all fuzzy on the back.
When are you even gonna go to school?
What's
School's
this
over.
stuff here? You got a non-Newtonian fluid?
Slime?
Slime.
Slime?
Yeah, isn't
Well,
it?
we didn't make it right, but yeah. If you just slap it enough.
How much does it cost?
It starts.
I think the only way to get them is to get 100,000 subscribers. You can buy fake ones on eBay for about $150.
What about a real one?
I think the only way to get them.
Okay.
Well, you'd have to
Is-
re-emboss it.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Yeah, thanks
You
everybody.
should subscribe to Doc Schuster.
Like and subscribe.
Hit the notification
Even
bell.
if you haven't.
Smash that like button.
Yeah,
What?
and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our daily videos.
Hey.
my
kidding.
my daily
Just kidding.
videos. Oh yeah, maybe I should make some more videos. Is there any physics stuff you guys want to see described? Probably something with
Leave it in
electronics.
the comments below.
Yeah, leave it in the comments if you want to.
Below.
If you want me to make a new video.
Below.
Yeah, yeah.